today I am going to share 5 importance of human rights found in the Bill of Rights of 1987 Philippines Constitution. As a Filipino, we enjoy these rights, but we also have responsibilities. And now, let's learn how our rights and responsibilities goes together in building a better nation. For our first right, we have freedom of speech and expression. This means every Filipino has the right to express their opinions and ideas without fear, as long as they do not harm or violate the right of others.
Here's a real-life example. A student respectfully sharing his opinions during a classroom discussion.
As a student, we use this right by telling the truth, respecting others, and avoiding fake news or hate speech. For our second right, we have right to education. This means every Filipino has the right to receive quality education and equality opportunities to learn.
Here's a real-life example. Students attending public school for free and joining learning programs.
And now, for our responsibilities as a student, we have to study hard, respect teachers and classmates, and take care of our school property. For our third right, we have right to equal protection of the law. This means everyone must be treated fairly regardless of gender, religion, race, or social status.
A real-life example. A poor applicant and a rich applicant taking the same job at the same time during the interview. They are both asked the same questions and are evaluated based on their skills and qualification, not on their financial status.
For our responsibility of this right, we treat everyone with fairness, kindness, and respect. For our fourth right, we have right to privacy. This means everyone has the right to keep their personal information and private life protected.
For example, before borrowing someone's phone, we should ask for permission instead of opening it without their consent.
For our responsibility, we respect other people's privacy and protect your own personal information. For our last and final right, we have freedom of religion. This means every Filipino is free to choose and practice any religion or choose not to practice one.
Here's a real-life example. People attending different places of worship without discrimination.
For responsibility, we respect the beliefs and religious practices of others, even if they are different from your own.
For you, for you, 给你全部温柔，陪着你。
Hello everyone, before I end this video, I have reflection. Respecting both rights and responsibilities helps build a peaceful, democratic, and progressive Philippines because everyone is treated fairly and with respect. When people use their rights responsibly and fulfill their duties as citizens, conflicts are reduced, communities become stronger, and country continues to grow. By respecting each other, we create a better future for all Filipinos. That's all. Thank you. God bless.